What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install new iOS 14.6 beta 1 developer on your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Let's get install the new iOS developer beta on your iPhone without wasting any time. So first of all guys, we need to go to the Safari browser. Then we need to search here for the website beta.apple.com. Then you need to go to this website. Now guys, just scroll down, then click on already members, click on sign in. So you need to sign in your Apple account to install the beta on your iOS device. So now guys, enter your email address of your Apple ID and password, just click sign in. So now just select your iOS device. If you had an iPad, you can select iPad. I have iPhone, so select iOS, then click on enroll your iOS device. So as you can see here, then guys just scroll down, then click on download profile. Now guys just click on allow. Now go to the setting and install the profile. So here is the profile downloaded, as you can see. Now just click on install. So after the installation complete, just restart your device. So guys, after the device restarted, just go to the software update. Now guys, you can install the new developer beta on your iPhone iOS 14.6 beta. So hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.